Hi dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by Pani. Here we are in this trigonometry topic. We are in that exercise 3C. Yesterday in first bit, question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 consists of 1 to 12 questions are there. And in second question completed. Now we will enter into the second bit. So prove that the following. Yeah. Thank you, dear students, for your support. Yeah, Sudakil, thank you for joining. Here the question is, Abhigna Creations, thank you for joining. Here the question is, prove that sine square pi by 4 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 equal to. So consider LHS. Sine square pi by 4, that means sine pi by 4 whole square plus cos pi by 3 whole square minus tan pi by 4 whole square, which is equal to sin pi by 4, sin 45, 1 by root 2 whole square plus cos pi by 3, pi by 3 means 60 degrees, cos 60, 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square minus tan 45, tan pi by 4, 1 square. So which is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. From these two take LCM 4. 2 plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 3 by 4 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. I hope it is minus 1 by 4, dear students. This is sin pi by 6. I am very sorry. Sine square pi by 6. So based on that it changes. So 5 by 6 means 30 degrees. 30 means 1 by 2. So it will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 2 by 4 minus 1. That is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 2, required RHS. I hope you understand this, students. We'll move to other question. 2 into sine square pi by 6, that means sine pi by 6 whole square plus cosecant 7 pi by 6 can be written as pi plus pi by 7, pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3 whole square. So 2 into sine pi by 6, sine 30, 1 by 2 whole square plus Cosecant of pi plus. Cosecant of pi plus means minus. So cosecant pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3 whole square. So 2 into 1 by 4 plus minus square anyway plus cosecant pi by 6. Pi by 6 means what? 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 means cosecant 30 is 2. 2 square 4 into cos pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degrees. Cos 60 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 4. So 2 by 4 plus 4 by 4 which is equal to 6 by 4 which is equal to 3 by 2. 2 3s are 2 2s which is required RHS. They are asking to prove 3 by 2 now. Now question number 3 LHS. Cot pi by 6 whole square. Cosecant pi by 6, pi by 6 can be written as cosecant of pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 into tan pi by 6 whole square. Pi by 6 is 30. So cot 30. So cot 30 equal to root 3 whole square plus cosecant of pi minus cosecant pi by 6 plus 3 into tan pi by 6 means tan 30. Yeah, tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. So it is equal to 3 plus cosecant pi by 6. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. So cosecant means 2. Plus 3 into 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. So 3 3 get cancelled. 3 plus 2 plus 1 which is equal to 6 required RHS. Okay dear students, let us move to question number 4. 2 into sin square of 3 pi by 4 means pi minus pi by 4 whole square plus 2 into cos square of pi by 4 means cos pi by 4 whole square plus 2 into secant pi by 3 whole square. So which is equal to 2 into sin of pi minus theta is sin theta. So sin pi by 4 whole square plus 2 into cos pi by 4 whole square. At a time, we'll write it all, dear students. 2 into secant pi by 3 whole square. So 2 into sin pi by 4, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into cos pi by 4, 1 by root 2 whole square plus 2 into secant pi by 3. Pi by 3 means what? 60 degrees. So secant 60 means 2 square. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 2 square. 4 into 2 is 8. Here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2 get cancelled. 1 plus 8 which is equal to 10 which is required RHS. Okay dear students, I hope you understand. Those who are watching, please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. That is my intention to tell that. Yesterday, till this time, most of the students, they were joined. And I'm expecting the people to join in the session. నువ్వు పక్కకి వెళ్ళగలదు తల్లి, పక్కకు పోతే ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుంది నాకు. Yeah, we'll move to other set of questions. Prove that the following. Question number 5. Cos of pi by 4 minus x, cos of pi by 4 minus y, minus sin of pi by 4 minus x, sin of pi by 4 minus y equal to sin of x plus y. Next, question number 6. Tan pi by 4 plus x divided by tan pi by 4 minus x is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. Question number 7. Cos of pi plus x, cos of minus x divided by sin of pi minus x, cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to cot square x. So they are asking to prove this result. Okay. See here, first what we have to do is consider LHS. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y, minus sin of pi by 4 minus x, sin of pi by 4 minus y. We know that formula for cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. You have to remember, dear students. So this means this is cos A, this is cos B minus sin A minus sin B. So which is equal to cos of A plus B. A means what? Pi by 4 minus x plus pi by 4 minus y cos of A plus B. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, how much? Pi by 2. So, cos of pi by 2 minus take common from these two, x plus y. We know that cos of pi by 2 minus theta is equal to sine theta. So by using this, cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y is sine of x plus y. It is the required RHS. I hope everyone understand. Okay, dear students, we'll move to question number 6. In the LHS, we know the formula for tan of pi by 4 plus x. So tan of a plus b formula, tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Generally, I am writing the formula, otherwise directly also. We know the tan of pi by 4 plus x is 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. By whole divided by tan pi by 4 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. So which is equal to, so 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. Why? Because tan pi by 4 value is 1 divided by 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x. So which is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. So denominator of denominator, numerator, no. So 1 plus tan x into 1 plus tan x is 1 plus tan x whole square. Denominator 1 minus tan x into 1 minus tan x is 1 minus tan x whole square. So 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square, which is required RHS, dear students. We'll move to question number 7. In this question number 7, LHS, cos of pi plus x, first you have to write it is cos of minus x divided by sine of pi minus x into cos of pi by 2 plus x. Cos of 180 plus theta minus cos theta, therefore minus cos x. So the first term completed. Cos of minus theta is cos theta, that means cos x, divided by sine of pi minus theta is sine theta, that means sine x, into cos of pi by 2 plus x. In second quadrant, cos is negative, so odd multiple of pi by 2 means for sine cofunction will come, that is minus sine x. So here minus get cancelled. Cos x into cos x, cos square x, by sine x into sine x, sine square x, that is equal to cos square x by sine square x, cot square x, which is required RHS. Okay, dear students, we'll move to other questions. Question number 8. Cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Next question number 9. Sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Question number 10. Cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So they are asking to prove that result. Next question number 11. Based on the space, I will explain to you students. Cos 9x minus cos 5x divided by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x. So these are the questions. Here we have the formula. We know that cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is equal to cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b is minus 2 sin a sin b. So this is a, this is b, no? Therefore LHS cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Am I right? Minus 2 sin a sin. So minus 2 into sin 3 pi by 4 can be written as sin minus pi by 4 into sin x. So minus 2 sin of pi minus theta is sin theta, sin pi by 4 into sin x. What is sin pi by 4? 1 by root 2. So minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. So root 2 times will be cancelled, which is equal to minus root 2 sin x, which is the required RHS, what they are asking to prove, dear students. This is very, very, very basic and fundamental of trigonometry formulae. Okay, dear students. Now come to here. Sin square, even here also we know that sin square A minus sin square B is equal to sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. So by using this formula, LHS sine square 6x minus sine square 4x. It is in the form of sine square A minus sine square B. So we can write it as sine of 6x plus 4x into sine of 6x minus 4x. So which is equal to sine 10x into sine 2x, which is required RHS. This is the way we can. They are asking to prove this result only now. Here, cos square A minus cos square. We have formula. We know that cos square B minus cos square A is equal to sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B, dear students. Very, very important. You need to remember this formula. Without remembering, without practicing, you can't get it. LHS cos square 2x minus cos square 6x, which is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. So sine of A plus B, 6x plus 2x into sine of 6x minus 2x, which is equal to sine of 8x into sine of 4x. That's what they are asking to prove. Absolutely. For the question number 11, we need to remember some formulae. Here I am going to write cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2 denominator. Sin C minus sin D formula. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So LHS minus 2 sin C plus D by 2, 9x plus 5x divided by 2 into sin 9x minus 5x divided by 2 whole divided by sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2, 17x plus 3x divided by 2 sin 17x minus 3x divided by 2. First 2 get cancelled, minus 9x plus 5x, 14x by 2. So sin 7x into 9x minus 5x, 4x by 2, sin 2x whole divided by cos 17x plus 3x, 17x plus 3x, 20x by 2, 10x, sin of 17x minus 3x, 14x by 2, 7x, sin 7x. So here sin 7x, here sin 7x get cancelled, minus sin 2x divided by cos 10x, which is required RHS. Okay, dear students. Question number 12. Sine 5x plus sine 3x divided by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Question number 13. Sin x minus sin y divided by cos x plus cos y is equal to tan of x minus y by 2. Question number 14. Sin x plus sin 3x divided by cos x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 2x. Even 15 also will write it here. Sin x minus sin 3x divided by sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. LHS sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2. Here I will write formula sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, cos also. Cos c plus cos d, both cos will come. 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. See here, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos 5x minus 3x divided by 2 whole divided by 2 into cos of 5x plus 3x divided by 2 cos of 5x minus 3x divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. Sin 8x by 2, 4x into cos 2x by 2 is cos x by cos 8x by 2, 4x into cos x. Cos x also get cancelled. Sin 4x by cos 4x, tan 4x, which is required on HS. Even here also the same procedure we are following. Sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d. 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So numerator 2 cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2 whole divided by cos c plus cos d. 2 cos c plus d by 2, that means x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. So here 2 get cancelled, cos of x plus y by 2 also get cancelled, which is equal to sin of x minus y by 2 divided by cos of x minus y by 2. So sin by cos, tan of x minus y divided by 2, which is required RHS students. Same procedure we are following, but I am writing here, we already done number of formulas here, sin c plus sin d. Instead of taking x first, 3x I am taking here, 2 sin 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2 whole divided by 2 cos 3x plus x by 2 cos 3x minus x by 2. 2 get cancelled, cos 3x minus x by 2, cos 3x minus x by 2 get cancelled. Sin of 4x by 2 means 2x by cos of 4x by 2 means 2x. Sin 2x by cos 2x, tan 2x, which is required, sorry, this is LHS RHS. Okay, dear students. Now come to here, even in this LHS, I am taking common minus, I am writing here sin 3x minus sin x divided by minus, take common and write it as cos square x minus sin square x. So both minus values will be cancelled. Later we are applying sin c minus sin d formula. So 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x plus x by 2, sin 3x minus x by 2, whole divided by cos square x minus sin square x, cos 2x. So which is equal to 2 into cos 3x plus x, 4x by 2 is 2x into sin 3x minus x is 2x by 2 is sin x by cos 2x. So cos 2x get cancelled, you are getting remaining 2 sin x, which is the required RHS. Okay, students, we'll move to last two questions. Question number 16. Tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Next, question number 17. Cos 4x equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. So tan 4x, we can write it as, here all in terms of x is there, no? Simply, we are very simple, we are writing tan 4x can be written as tan 2x plus 2x. It is in the form of tan of a plus b, tan a plus tan b by. So tan 2x plus tan 2x, 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x. Here little twist is there, dear students. We know the formula for tan 2x in terms of tan. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So, tan 2x plus tan 2x, 2 tan 2x divided by 1 minus tan 2x into tan 2x, tan square 2x. So, wherever tan 2x is there, replace with this value. So, 2 into 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole divided by 1 minus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Now simplification. 2 into 2, 4. 4 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x divided by here 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x whole divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square. So one of the 1 minus tan square x is going to get cancelled. The rest of the terms 4 tan x divided by 1 into 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 minus tan square x whole square is 1 plus tan power 4x minus 2 tan power minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x. Okay, dear students, I hope you understand. So 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x divided by, now write in the order, 1 minus 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x, which is the required RHS. Come to here. Cos 4x can be written as cos of 2 times of 2x. We know that cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Am I right, dear students? So, cos 2 into 2x means cos square 2x minus sin square 2x. So a plus b into completely in terms of sine and cos, they are asking to write. Cos square 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square. Better to write cos 2x cos square a minus sin square a. One minus sin square 2x minus sin square 2x, which is equal to 1 minus sin 2x whole square, no, 2 sin x cos x whole square minus 2 sin x cos x whole square. We will get it answer. So 1 minus 4 sin square x cos square x minus 4 sin square x cos square x, which is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x cos square x which is the required RHS dear students. So the rest of the third bit will continue by tomorrow by 9:30 or 10 p.m. Sure, we will do it, dear students. Thank you for your support. Those who are watching still, please like and share. If you like this video, it reaches to more students. That is my sincere request from my side. Thank you. Jai Hind. Exam Side Mathematics by Fun. Yeah. Good evening. Thank you. Asita Kill and Abhigna channel, Abhigna Creations. Thank you, all of you. Bye.